Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Medico's Guide. It's Dr. Ida Khan and today we'll continue our lecture and today we'll be discussing about the sole of the shoe. The sole is basically the bottom part of the shoe and it comprises of the outer sole, there is a metal reinforcement and there is inner sole as well as insole. So these are the four structures that are present in the sole of the shoe. Now there is a metal reinforcement between the outer sole and inner sole, and this metal reinforcement receives the screws which are the rivets. So this way these all parts make a sole of the shoe that is not a normal shoe. It is basically, as you know, that is a part of the orthosis which is used to receive or used to attach the orthosis with, and this way it makes the shoe heavier as compared to the athlete shoe that is comprised of only a single sole. Now this outsole, which is the outer sole of the shoe, it is the part that is most beneath. That is basically the lowest part of the shoe, and that's why it contacts the floor. Now there are different types of outsoles. It means that these outsoles are made up of different materials. So the leather outsoles absorb the little impact shock. They also provide minimum traction as compared to the natural or the synthetic rubber ones. So in order to absorb the shock, a resilient material is used to make these outsoles, insoles, inserts, or anything that is used in the combination of the sole. And in the older patients who are more vulnerable to fall, the soles are made up of slip resistant materials. Now let's talk about the toe springs. Toe spring is basically the slight rise of the sole from the front. And regardless of the material the shoe is made up of, the sole is made up of, the toe spring must be present. So here you can see, regardless of the material, the outsole shouldn't contact the floor at the distal end. So at the distal end, why shouldn't the sole contact the floor? Because so that it can allow the rocker effect at the late stance, so that it can easily rock, and this way the distance should be covered less in order to switch between the two stages, that is from the stance to swing easily. Therefore the toe spring is incorporated inside the sole. Okay, so that's all from today's lecture. We'll see you in the next video with a different topic. Thanks for watching.